Hey guys, welcome back. 5 volts in, 12 volts out. One tiny circuit built from just a few basic parts. No fancy chips, no complex modules. Let me show you exactly how it's done. Don't worry if you're new to electronics. I'll walk you through every part, nice and simple. Let's go. When power hits the circuit, Q3 biases Q1, our main switching transistor. Q1 turns on, connecting inductor L1 to ground, and L1 starts storing energy. As current builds, the voltage across R1 triggers Q2, which cuts off Q1 instantly. That's when L1 kicks back. Its collapsing magnetic field adds voltage on top of the 5-volt input. The result? A spike that flies through the Schottky Diode D1 and charges up the output capacitor to 12 volts. To keep it locked at 12 volts, the Zener Diode D2 feeds back to Q2, throttling the switching and regulating the output automatically. Hope that made sense. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple circuit builds. See you in the next one.